This leads the court to conclude that the defendant's not amenable to a community control sanction. So the court imposes sentence as follows. In light of the financial circumstances of the defendant and the medical issues that the court was aware of before Ms. Moore brought those more pointedly to the court's attention, there's no fine. There is a sentence. However, there's a prison sentence of 2 years in a state penal institution. There's credit for time served of 44 days. The defendant, Mr. Moore, will advise you that at the conclusion of your sentence, you're subject on your release to a period of post-release control to be supervised by the adult parole authority. This is a mandatory period for 5 years. If you violate any post-release control rule or condition, you're subject to a more restrictive rule or condition, a longer duration under supervision, or you could be sent back to prison even though you've done all the time to which you've been sentenced. You could get up to 9 months in prison for each rule violation, but the total for all rule violations can't be more than 1/2 of the prison sentence you receive unless the violation is for committing a new felony, in which case you could receive a prison term of the greater of 1 year or the time remaining on post-release control, in addition to any time that you receive for the new felony. This prison term must be served consecutively to any prison term you receive for any new felony. Do you understand that principle of post-release control, Mr. Moore?
For the most part.
I'm sorry?
For the most part.
What don't you understand? And I'll try to
I've just got a lot of thoughts going through my mind, and it's hard to weigh it all up, that's all.
Well, you're subject to a mandatory 5-year term of post-release control at the conclusion of your sentence. If you violate any of the rules of post-release control, you could go back to prison for up to 1/2 of your original sentence. Understand that? You have to answer out loud, sir.
Yes.
All right, thank you.